Hello, welcome to Evan's Mill. Today we're coming to you, very excited, we're coming to you from the new and improved kitchen. Anyone who watches this video can come and do a free tour, personally guided by me. Alright, so today we're going to continue on our knife series. We're going to be doing avocados. Again, we've been inspired by my wife not knowing how to cut something. So, first of all, choosing avocados. I have a good example of a bad one. This one, when you press on it in the grocery store and it feels all mushy, don't buy that one. That's bad. You want to look for some that are already nice, kind of black in color. You'll see them green, but look for the black ones and then do just a little light press on it and it should give a little bit. If it feels hard as a rock, it's probably still green and you're not going to be able to cut it open. Alright, so this one feels pretty good. We've got a couple of them here. Let's cut this one open. I think that feels good. Alright, so usually take the avocado and there's usually a little piece of the stem left. We want to take that off. And then you can take a paring knife or you can take a chef knife and we're basically going to cut through. There's a seed in there, in case you didn't know. Cut down to that seed and you'll be able to feel it. And then we're going to rock around, cutting through the skin all the way down to that seed. And then you can give it a little twist and it'll pop open. So one side's got the seed. So to get that seed out, you can take a paring knife again. I'm going to do this one with a paring knife and give it a little nick like that. You don't want to hit it too hard where it's going to like cut all the way through your hand, but just into the seed, and then you give it a little twist and then take that out. And then you can kind of knock it off into your bowl there. So now that you've got your two halves, you can do a couple things. If you just want the half and you're going to stuff it with something, you need a spoon. And usually I use a bigger spoon, about the size of the avocado. And just stick the spoon in between the skin and the meat and just kind of roll around. And then you can pop that out. You got a little skin left there. Or if you're going to cut it or slice it, you can do it while it's in the skin. And again, you're sticking the paring knife in just to feel the skin and just drag the tip of the knife. You don't want to cut through to your hand, obviously. So if you want to slice it, that's what you would do. And then you can do the same thing. Take the spoon, roll it around, and then you can cut it out. You've got our nice little slices. I'm going to do that one more time for you. So this one's got the stem off. We're going to take our chef knife or a paring knife, cut down to the seed, roll it around, twist, maybe get the seed out, quick little twist, and then let's say we want to dice this one. So we'll cut some slices, and then we'll go back the other way and cut the dices. Alright, and that'll just pop right out, nice and easy. And avocados, you've probably noticed if you work with them before, they will oxidize, so they'll start turning brown once you get them out of the skin. So if you're not going to eat them right away, squeeze a little lime juice over them. That'll help them to keep from turning colors on you. Alright, so you guys give that a try, and we'll see you next time.